In this video, we will take a look at the crops that are a large part of North Dakota's agriculture. Agriculture in North Dakota is a $3.8 billion industry. Taking into account the map in front of you, 90% of North Dakota's land is used for farming and ranching. Here are some factors that go into crop production. Keep in mind, many farmers across the state of North Dakota rely heavily on precipitation or rain to water their crops rather than watering their crops themselves. With much of the land in North Dakota dedicated to farming and ranching, you would imagine that North Dakota ranks first in many categories of crop production. In the next few photos, you will see how much of a difference technology has made on farming and farm machinery. Here you will see a man on the left planting his seeds by hand, while the man on the right takes full advantage of farm machinery and newest technology to use a tractor to plant his crops. Here you will see a combine being used to harvest crops, which, as you might imagine, makes farming a lot more efficient and a lot more productive. Here you will see a list of crops that make up agriculture in North Dakota. At the top you will see a very popular one, wheat. The second one I would like to point out is barley, because barley is what you will be seeing in a couple videos here in just a moment being planted in a field at the farm. We are now going to travel down to Rame, North Dakota, which is in the southwest part of the state, in order to see some crops being planted on my in-laws' farm. Here you will see a large pile of corn, which is actually mixed together with hay in order to feed the cattle on the farm. Here you will see a piece of farming machinery that will put fertilizer and barley into the other piece of machinery so they are able to plant those crops in the field. If you look close enough here, you can actually see the seed dropping down from the seeder and down into the ground. Notice how the seeder is not meant to go fast. It is meant to go slow in order to plant the seeds properly. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is more of an up-close look at crops being planted and later harvested. Once again, crops in North Dakota make up a very large portion of our agriculture industry and a large part of North Dakota exports, which is once again a very large portion of North Dakota studies when we are teaching North Dakota studies in 4th grade. Here again, you will see all of the different crops that make up our agricultural industry in North Dakota. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you learned something from it, and we will see you later.